new carbon ceramic brake pads. They were £20 plus VAT, so what's that, £23 just over. Tools, I do have forks, so if I did just go to the T40, I think it was, those do just fit in there. Anyway, you won't find these in your regular KTM toolkit. Why I've used a long extension is because you can just do that. Ah. There we go. So circle it off, knock the pin through and take that spring out. Okay, there it is. Teeny weeny Mr. Circlip thingy. Small torques will do the job, I think. Yeah, go in there. Okay. There's really not much left on there. I'm going to put a thumb over that spring so it doesn't disappear over the garden fence. So. Let's have a look at this one. Ooh, close. I've had my money's worth out of that. Well, this is all out, so I'll give that a good clean up in there. You need to be a man in possession of not one, 2 buckets, one of these and some cleaning bits. Gather that nicely. A bit like cleaning your teeth. Good stuff. Put the pads back in now, and they're both exactly the same. Right, they're in there, but clearly we need a bit of room for the disc, so pistons need to be pushed back a bit so the disc will fit in. But as I mentioned earlier, you've got to be really careful the reservoir doesn't overflow, so I'm going to take some fluid out of that. I think that's plenty, so I push it right in. Yeah, look, plenty of room. So lovely. Now this is certainly a bit more fiddly. Yeah, really it's a two-man job, this bit, I think, unless you've got a specific tool to compress this. Yeah, a whole lot better. Some thread lock on there. So some gentle pressure on the back brake, and yeah, it's locked. So it looks like mission successful.